Alright folks, this method is pretty simple, so let's power through it. I'm going to start on the part workbench and create a geodesic sphere, like so many of our designs start with. Now we're going to go over to the nodes workbench and open the node graph editor, which I have already opened. We're going to go into the scene drop down and bring in our object. We're going to go back into scene and bring in our object data. We're going to go into the analyzers and select shape content. We're going to extract our edges and evaluate them. We're going to generate cylinders on our edges, and we're going to of course feed it some numbers. One number being the radius, we'll say 0.5. Next number being the angle, we'll say 360. And we'll also need to feed it the height, unfortunately. I say unfortunately because there doesn't appear to be a way currently in the nodes workbench to extract the length of the vertex of the edges and use that as the height, which would be convenient. Obviously we could write a script to do this, but some of you might be laughing because it should be easier than that, but this is just how we'll just use 2.9 for the height for now, because it works with the standard geometric standard geodesic sphere. Alright, now we also need to extract our vertexes and draw circles on them. We're going to be generating spheres. And of course we need to add a radius for those spheres. We'll say 2 for now. Alright, so we've got our two parallel scripts running. We just need to add CViewer and visualizer. You can see we've gone a little bit zealous with the overzealous with the sizing. So we'll say 0.1 on the cylinder radius and 0.5 on the sphere radius. And there you go. We'll erase our geodesic sphere, and there's our Buckminster Fullerene. You can of course use two CViewer objects running not in running in parallel if you want to use different colors, or if it's more convenient for your scenario to have them in different compounds. It's just as easy. But yeah. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.